We are GPS and Track, and let's talk about the car tracker. More importantly, the installation, because the biggest issue we have is, oh, it seems so complicated, it's really hard, I don't know what to do. Nothing in a box this small is that scary. So with our car tracker, you have a couple options. You could go hardwired. If you're a car person, that could go to a constant power source underground. Pretty simple install. If you can't do it, we have a partnership with Best Buy. Scheduled online, they charge about 75 bucks. You'll be in and out in no time. But we also have an OBD cable that makes it super easy to install through the back of the OBD port. You can do this in 90 seconds with no tools, no skills. We send you a video on how to do it. The OBD just pops out. I can barely put air in my tires. If I can do this in 90 seconds, you can do it in 90 seconds. A third option, if your car is 2017 and newer, you most likely have a USB. We have a car tracker. They can plug right into the USB port. It's always on, it's always tracking. You can plug in the bottom of the USB, put it in your armrest, and forget about it. You're gonna have your driver's license and insurance cards and sunglasses, everything on top. It's a great way to hide it. All right, and lastly, you're the person that's like, I'm not gonna do any of that, but I do wanna protect my car. We have a GPS tracker that'll go out 5 years. You can put this under the seat, you put this in the trunk, you can put this wherever you want. It's gonna update less, but if you want something super simple, they're all the same price. Just call us and we can help you out, kind of point you in the right direction. My direct number is 480-292-9579.